When you go home and your feet smell, there's too much dunya energy upon you. That's why pious people, their feet don't smell. Their feet are from the feet of paradise. They're teaching that this dunya energy has a very dirtiness, and when you understand the flow of it that coming up and trying to overtake you, every practice and everything that you're doing from your siwak and controlling your head, controlling the cover, washing with the understandings of wudu is all a perfection of the energy. That's why people who have difficulties, these energies are coming up the leg, and from the leg it's moving towards the back, and then the clash going to be into the spine and into the stomach. Means then the importance of understanding that energy, that whatever you're doing in life you have to wash often. As soon as you shower and visualize that water coming like a waterfall and your soul cleansing itself within the water to relieve itself of these negative energies. When the energy is too negative, then it's recommended to make a bath and put salt within that bath. The Himalayan salt, Epsom salt. Salt is a natural purifier. With salt takes away negativity. Even holding the salt stones takes away negativity. Even putting your meat and rolling it in salt and then rinsing it off takes away all the negativity. Salt Allah gave us that as a natural way of purification. So many awliyaullah they sleep with salt right by their bed and they put that in their mouth as soon as they wake up to make sure that the negative energy is off of them until they can reach to make wudu. Means then understanding the flow of energy, then you begin to understand how to wash, how to control that.